Hi guys, today I will be talk as to how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT limitations and its iterative deployment. How ChatGPT works. ChatGPT uses reinforcement learning from human feedback (RLHF) using the same methods as InstructGPT, but with slight differences in the data collection setup. It is trained an initial model using supervised fine-tuning. Human AI trainers provided conversations in which they played both sides, the user and an AI assistant. It gives the trainers access to model-written suggestions to help them compose their responses. ChatGPT limitations. Sometimes it writes plausible-sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. Fixing this issue is challenging as, 1. During RL training, there's currently no source of truth. 2. Training the model to be more cautious causes it to decline questions that it can answer correctly, and 3. Supervised training misleads the model because the ideal answer depends on what the model knows, rather than what the human demonstrator knows. ChatGPT is sensitive to tweaks to the input phrasing or attempting the same prompt multiple times. For example, given one phrasing of a question, the model can claim to not know the answer, but given a slight rephrase, can answer correctly. The model is often excessively verbose and overuses certain phrases, such as restating that it's a language model trained by OpenAI. These issues arise from biases in the training data. Trainers prefer longer answers that look more comprehensive, and well-known over-optimization issues. Ideally, the model would ask clarifying questions when the user provided an ambiguous query. Instead, current models usually guess what the user intended. While ChatGPT makes the model refuse inappropriate requests, it will sometimes respond to harmful instructions or exhibit biased behavior. By using the moderation API to warn or block certain types of unsafe content, but do expect it to have some false negatives and positives for now. ChatGPT iterative deployment. Today's research release of ChatGPT is the latest step in OpenAI's iterative deployment of increasingly safe and useful AI systems. Many lessons from deployment of earlier models like GPT-3 and Codex have informed the safety mitigations in place for this release, including substantial reductions in harmful and untruthful outputs achieved by the use of reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.